Boys and girls, if you have problems with your snowblower, this is what you gotta do.
A wise man once said, that is the main jet. And if you keep that clean, your snowblower will love you. How to get to that little screw. And I'm talking about that one right there. Looks like a little half moon there. To get that main jet at the bottom up. That screw now is holding it in place. So we gotta get that. All right. We gotta get this shield out of the way. This is an 8mm. It's a regular one. And this is an 8mm, I believe. Let's try that. That's what you're gonna need. Just a mini ratchet, small extension, and a long 8mm for the top one. For this one here, we can take the extension off and it'll work just fine. And it is an 8mm. It's usually 5.5 turns anti-clockwise for that screw to come out. Use a magnet to get it out of there, or if you have super skinny fingers, you can do that with your fingers. Then we'll pry this up like that. By the way, you can do everything with a screwdriver like this. It's just a flat screwdriver. In this case, it's a electrical screwdriver. Okay, guys? Alright guys, no magnets will help you here. This is a completely plastic screw. That's what it looks like. But a flathead screwdriver works just fine. It's never tight, it's a plastic screw. Just to keep that main jet in place. Alright. When it's out, it looks like this. It's got a big hole through here, which is pretty much never clogged. Closed top. And that's the main jet. You gotta clean that with a really fine wire. Alright guys, so as the main jet gets some nice cleaning in there, it's just soaking in a carburetor cleaner. We're gonna head down one more component. There's another jet inside this tube. The way you get it out is the flathead screwdriver bit and one of these little ratchets. If you spin it, you'll feel it when it went in. And when it went in, what you're gonna do is loosen it anti-clockwise. Shouldn't be too hard to get that out. It's gonna be 2-part plug and a jet. Don't lose those when they come out. Alright guys, so these are the jets. That little one there is a main stream. This one is a side stream. Gotta clean those real good so they can go right through. I mean, the fuel can go right through all of these 3 parts. Alright, so another thing we can do after those jets are out, we can do that and just spray up. Yes, it's gonna make a mess. Yes, you can hold the can on the bottom. Can't do this with one hand, but let's do this stuff. down into that hole where the main one came from. Come on, focus. Yeah. Let it clean right out. You know, and it's soaking in. You know it's going down. You know. One more on this side. Yeah. Let it do its magic. Just clean this whole thing. Really. This stuff is quite fun to use. So you can get, don't get too far ahead of yourself. It is fun. Look how clean that is. Super cool. I'm gonna dry this with some towels. Alright guys, see that little piece of wire there? Yeah. So every single hole, you gotta go through every single one of them. And then this one is a little tricky because you can't really go through that. It's kind of like an injector. So just clean it as much as possible. And then what you do is there's two holes on the side of this. So close one hole and then the opposite hole, jam in carburetor cleaner with pressure, just right of the can. And you will see a stream coming out of this end, and the stream doesn't have to be perfect as long as there's a stream. It's more like a like an injector kind of thing, so you will see it clouding. Anyway, now that they're all clean, I'm gonna put it back together. The next video is gonna, you know, determine if it runs or not, and if it runs properly.
And pay 0% interest for up to 24 months with everyday financing. Happening now, only at Ashley.
Alright guys, we're just gonna push out some stuff from the carburetor. Let's reinstall the bottom jet. This one goes up this way. This way. This one goes in that way. Up. I find it difficult to do with gloves. I love doing it with bare skin. Doesn't have to be too tight, man. That one's done. The top one. So you remember what it looks like. These things sprayed. Not too badly. That is super clean. There's no hole on the other side, don't be fooled. The holes come in from this hole, it goes right through to the next hole on the opposite side, That's the intake, and then it sprays at the bottom. Right there. I gotta put it in. All right. Probably easier to put it with this. There we go. Just went in there. Gotta be parallel to the bracket. You know, the way it's intended to go in. And then you just use this screwdriver again. And that's to pop it, and adjust it, and you can seat it all with one tool. Okay. Next, this one. And I know it's hard to believe that this works. It still works. But it's not intended to be tightening anything. This screw is very, very lightly tightened. This is why they make it out of plastic, so it doesn't come out. Remember, the seal is up there. Make sure it's up there before you close this off. This should move freely without the gasket coming out. Gotta check. Check, check.
It's a really, really, really just hunger game. I just
So that's how you fix your snowblower, man. It's simple. Just follow the instructions.